For as long as we have been human, we have looked up, drawn to the night sky's silent invitation. The stars have been our guides, our storybooks, and our greatest mysteries. Ancient civilizations saw patterns in the stars, weaving tales of gods and heroes. The sky was a canvas for our imagination, and it remains so today. Our curiosity about the cosmos is a fundamental part of who we are. When something unusual appears in our telescopes, it captures our collective attention, not just scientists, but all of us. An object that challenges our understanding becomes a global fascination, sparking conversations and inspiring new generations to look up. This shared sense of mystery connects us, reminding us that we are all passengers on this small blue planet. In 2017, a story began, a visitor, the first of its kind ever detected, an object that travelled across the unimaginable void between the stars to briefly pass through our solar system. Its arrival raised one of the most provocative questions of our time. Was it a natural object, a comet or asteroid from a distant star system? Or could it be something more? Could it be a piece of technology crafted by an intelligence other than our own? The story begins on a clear night in October 2017 at the Haleakala Observatory in Hawaii. Pan-stars. A powerful telescope was scanning the heavens for asteroids and comets. On this night, the system flagged something unusual, a faint point of light moving very fast on a strange path. Astronomers worldwide were alerted and quickly turned their telescopes to this new object. By tracking its trajectory, they realized it was not bound by the sun's gravity. It had come from interstellar space. This was historic, the first confirmed visitor from another star system. It was named Oumuamua, Hawaiian for a messenger from afar arriving first. The excitement was immense, but Oumuamua was already speeding out of our solar system at nearly 196,000 miles per hour. Small and faint, it was difficult to observe. Scientists had only weeks before it faded from view. Every bit of data was precious, a clue to its origins and nature. Telescopes measured its brightness, colour, and how it reflected sunlight. They searched for signs of gas or dust, the typical halo of a comet. But the more they looked, the more puzzling Oumuamua became. The data didn't fit any known category of celestial object. The messenger from afar had arrived, but its message was a profound riddle. One of Oumuamua's first mysteries was its shape. Scientists inferred its form by how its brightness changed as it tumbled, suggesting it was highly elongated, perhaps 10 times longer than it was wide. This is unlike any asteroid or comet we've seen. It was imagined as a cigar or a flat, thin pancake. Its motion was equally strange. After looping around the sun, it accelerated away, faster than gravity alone could explain. Normally, comets accelerate due to outgassing, but astronomers saw no signs of this. The Spitzer Space Telescope, sensitive to dust and gas, saw nothing. No tail, no coma. If Oumuamua was a comet, the push should have been visible. If not, what was causing its acceleration? Its trajectory was peculiar. It entered from the direction of Vega, but wasn't from there. Its journey likely took hundreds of thousands, maybe millions of years. Tumbling chaotically, its reddish surface hinted at long exposure to cosmic rays. Every new piece of data deepened the mystery. The messenger was silent, its nature an enigma. Oumuamua defied every expectation. To see why Oumuamua was so unusual, let's look at a typical comet. Comets are ancient relics, dirty snowballs of ice, rock, dust and frozen gases. Most reside in the Kuiper Belt or the distant Oort cloud, frozen for billions of years. Occasionally a gravitational nudge sends a comet toward the sun. As it warms, ice sublimates into gas, creating a glowing coma and spectacular tails. These tails, pushed by sunlight and solar wind, always point away from the sun. Outgassing not only creates the coma and tails, it gives comets a gentle push, causing non-gravitational acceleration. So, when astronomers see an object accelerating in a way gravity can't explain, they assume it's a comet, actively outgassing. This is the standard textbook explanation. But Oumuamua didn't fit this model. Its behavior was something entirely new. With this understanding, Oumuamua's strangeness stands out. It accelerated like a comet, but lacked a visible coma. Powerful telescopes found no dust or gas. Scientists proposed new ideas. Maybe it was made of solid hydrogen or nitrogen, substances that could outgas invisibly. Or perhaps it was a dense fragment from a shattered planet with trapped gas venting as it warmed. Each natural explanation has challenges. Hydrogen would evaporate quickly, nitrogen fragments are rare. No single theory fits all the facts. Oumuamua remains a true celestial anomaly. When natural explanations fall short, unconventional ideas emerge. Avi Loeb, a Harvard physicist, proposed that Oumuamua might not be natural at all. He suggested it could be advanced alien technology, a solar sail pushed by sunlight. Its flat, pancake-like shape and unexplained acceleration fit this idea. Loeb argued it could be a defunct probe or debris from another civilization. He wasn't claiming it was an active spacecraft, but that the alien technology hypothesis fit the data. He urged scientists to remain open to all possibilities, no matter how astonishing. For centuries, "Are we alone?" was science fiction. Now it's a question we can investigate with data. Oumuamua might be our first real clue. Sometimes to understand the unknown, we must consider the extraordinary. Most scientists remain skeptical of the alien technology hypothesis. They argue that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and the data on Oumuamua is limited. The leading natural explanation is a nitrogen iceberg, a fragment from a Pluto-like exoplanet. This could explain the shape, lack of coma and acceleration. Critics warn against the argument from ignorance. Just because we can't explain something doesn't mean it's aliens. History is full of mysteries later solved by new discoveries. Science is cautious, building on evidence. Without direct proof, the search for a natural explanation continues. So, what are we left with? A deep and fascinating mystery. Oumuamua has vanished into the dark, its secrets unresolved. It may have been a strange comet, a cosmic fragment, or just maybe alien technology. The true value of Oumuamua lies in the questions it forces us to ask. Its story has ignited imaginations worldwide, reminding us the universe is dynamic and full of wonders. This sense of wonder is a shared human experience, the engine of curiosity that drives exploration. Even if Oumuamua is a new kind of natural object, the investigation has been valuable, pushing science forward. Science advances by embracing mysteries, not just finding answers. The debate over Oumuamua is science in action, a puzzle, data, hypotheses and debate. We are explorers on a remarkable journey, ready for the next cosmic messenger. New telescopes will scan the skies, and one day, another interstellar visitor will arrive. And we'll be ready, with more knowledge and the same timeless sense of wonder.